Hi peeps, and welcome to this week's quick and easy recipes. This week, a quesadilla. Ingredients: 2 tortillas, wafer thin ham, grated mozzarella, chili sauce, 1 egg to be beaten, spring onion. Start by chopping up a spring onion. As always, be careful when chopping. If in doubt, get one of those easy chop machines. Or get some pre-chopped one from the frozen department. Then, beat your egg. Put a little bit of oil in a pan and take your first tortilla and put it in. Have the pan at around about a low to medium heat. We don't want to burn the tortilla. Then pour in your beaten egg. Then do your version of Nigella's seductive dropping of the ingredients into the pan. Do it your own style, but obviously she does it better than me. Chop up and sprinkle in some of your wafer thin ham. Sprinkle on a little bit of cheese. Then toss on your second tortilla and press down lightly. Then carefully flip over the quesadilla and cook on the other side. There you have it. Quick and easy quesadilla. That has to be one of the quickest recipes to make. If you've got all the ingredients, it's like a 5-minute job. Crunchy, spicy, tasty quesadilla. As always, thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. Leave us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave us a thumbs down if you don't like this video. Don't forget to sub up to the channel and ring that notification bell if you want to be notified when we put new videos up. Please leave a comment and let us know how you got on with this recipe. If there's other things you put in it, or if there are better ways to do it, please let me know. Don't forget also to check out our social media pages, Twitter and Instagram, for behind the scenes and additional information and jolly good rip-roaring time. Thanks for watching, my fellow gamers, and don't forget, stay safe out there.